How to set up direct debit or standing order with Starling Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to set up direct debit or standing order with Starling Bank. For that case, you have to follow this step. First of all, go ahead and log into your Starling Bank account. Into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page go ahead and locate the payment section of the app. This may be labeled as payment and transfer or something similar, and within the payment section look for an option to set up direct debit or standing order. Now, Starling Bank typically offers separate section or option. When setting up a direct debit or standing order, you'll need to provide details about the pay. This typically include the recipient's name, account number, sort code, and any traditional information as well. After adding the pay's detail, enter the payment amount and frequency for direct debit. You may also need to specify the date when the payment should be taken from your account, and review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Then confirm and authorize the direct debit or standing order setup. You may be prompted to authenticate the transactions using your chosen method. Once the direct debit or standing order setup is confirmed, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the payment has been successfully scheduled. Now, after setting up direct debit or standing order, manage them with the app. This may include editing payment details, canceling payment, or viewing payment history. So that's how you can set up direct debit or standing order with Starling Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.